Hey everyone, it's Alyssa from Alyssa's Bake Shop, and today we are going to be making some easy pastel pumpkins. So I'm preparing the stems right now by just using some pretzels. You can use the straight ones, but I wanted to use these and kind of break them in half because I like how they are curved, so they look a little bit more like a real pumpkin stem. It would be really on theme if these cupcakes were pumpkin spice flavored, but believe it or not, I really don't like pumpkin spice flavor. So I decided to bake up some vanilla cupcakes and I made some strawberry faux Swiss meringue buttercream, which I know none of those flavors are fall related at all, but you guys can do whatever flavors that you'd like. So today I'm using the Wilton 1M piping tip, and this is one of my favorite tips. This is a rosette tip. You can make roses and flowers. It's just so effortless. I'm not really sure why. I just really like working with this piping tip. So what I'm doing here is I'm piping one line in the center of the cupcake, and then I'm adding curved lines on either side. And that's really all there is to it, just piping those 3 lines. I decided to stick with 2 different colors for these cupcakes because I didn't want it to be overwhelming with lots of different colors, so I chose a pastel orange and a pastel pink. And I will put links below for what food dye that I used, but I only used 1 drop of each because I wanted to make sure that these were pastel. Sometimes I get overboard and they always become vibrant, so I really had to hold back from adding too much color here. Lastly, we want to add our little pretzel stems. So when I was adding the stems to these cupcakes, I realized that some of them would actually look better if I kind of turned the cupcake the other way. And it's just because of the way that I had piped it on. And you'll see me do that in a second here, like this guy right here. Something I noticed when I was editing was that the pumpkins kind of have some natural variety just from, piping because we're not perfect, we're not robots. It's really hard to make everything look 100% the same when you're decorating. If you can, that is a really, really amazing skill. I'm not quite there yet. But I actually feel though that inaccuracy worked to my advantage. Some of the pumpkins are a little bit rounder, some are a bit taller, and I really kind of like that real life variety in there. Is anybody else noticing that there is just a lot of love for using the color pink in this fall and Halloween season? I'm not sure what it is, but I've always really liked pink, and I know that it's not one of those traditional Halloween colors, and it's really not a Christmas color or any of those other colors. But I'm really glad that there is a community of people out there who are sticking strong to using pink. And even in the stores too, like Home Goods, I've definitely seen more pink decorations. But these cupcakes took no time at all, and I thought the best way to display them would be on a cute, simple white cake stand. I love myself a good cake stand. I wish I could have a whole entire room or closet. Yeah, I'll just say a closet full. And that's it. It took less than 5 minutes to do these. So thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.